What up, 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 Crypto Warriors, Assault on Crypto, back at it again. Today is Friday, April 19th, 2019. Happy Good Friday to all those who celebrate. Bitcoin is going to change the world from a money transactional standpoint, not just for Africa, but for everywhere. Akon, recording artist and producer. Let's get into it. All right, this is coming out of CCN. Bitcoin bear market forces Korea's fifth largest crypto exchange to close. I'm just laughing because this exchange has been up to some shenanigans earlier within the past year or so. All right, here we go. By CCN, the Bitcoin bear market might be over, but it hasn't finished claiming victims. CoinNest, South Korea's fifth largest cryptocurrency exchange, shut down this week. Users have until April 30th to withdraw any remaining funds. All right, the closure comes months after a series of scandals roiled the crypto platform. So here it is. Bribery and a $5 million accidental Bitcoin airdrop. Wow. I wish I was using this exchange. As CCN reported, CoinNest has suffered a series of embarrassing self-destructive scandals over the past year. In April 2018, two CoinNest executives were charged for accepting bribes to list multiple cryptocurrencies on the exchange. Then, in this past year, in the past 3 months, back in January of 2019, CoinNest accidentally airdropped more than $5 million in Bitcoin, $5 million in Bitcoin and Korean won to customers due to a computer error. The exchange asked users to return the misdirected funds, but were unable to recover much of the lost money. You're not getting it back, player. You wasn't going to get it back? Not from me, at least. Wow. This is like when you're playing Monopoly and they say bank error in your favor, you receive $100 or something to that effect. But this is $5 million, man. I think this was a scam from the get-go, or a disgruntled employee. Somebody was pissed off about something or wanted to expose something and then just said, you know what? I'm going to just airdrop Bitcoins and Korean wons to all our customers. So there you have it, man. They're closing down, and if you're using this exchange, which I don't think people in the US are using this exchange, you have until April 30th to withdraw all your funds. Next, again from CCN, Facebook, biggest on-ramp ever for Bitcoin adoption. Now this is coming from Spencer Bogart, a partner at crypto investment firm Blockchain Capital, argued in a new blog post that over the next 2 years, Facebook, Telegram, and stablecoins will create the largest on-ramps to crypto that the Bitcoin industry has ever seen. Facebook and Telegram could fuel rapid crypto expansion. With the onboarding of two of the largest networks in the world, Facebook and Telegram, the crypto economy is likely to grow a great deal in the coming few years. Regardless of whether these platforms are integrating Bitcoin directly, all cryptos will be in higher demand as a result. Further, more people than ever will be familiar with the ability to send money quickly and cheaply using blockchain technology, Bogart said. Telegram has over 2 billion users, or over 200 million monthly users or something to that effect. And Facebook has, maybe 3 billion users by now. And with the network effect of these two social networks, yes, they will be onboarded a lot of people into crypto. For Telegram users, people in the crypto space already use Telegram. So I'm not talking about you guys or us in the crypto space. I'm talking about other people that are on Telegram and have no idea what cryptos are, or maybe they just heard on the news or in passing or something about Bitcoin. having Telegram have a stable coin of some sort or some kind of blockchain and cryptocurrency to go with it. It's definitely a way to on-ramp a lot of people, and it's the same thing for Facebook. Here we go. Scroll down some more. Just read out some highlights here. I'm just read more of his quotes. While models of fiat coins that have existed for years, two aspects, trust and convenience, are changing. First, they're increasingly issued from more trusted originators, and second, they're moving closer to where capital resides today at financial institutions, making it quicker and easier to move from USD to digital blockchain-based USD. I don't know about the trust part, but with the Gemini dollar, the GUSD, their stablecoin, Gemini is a quote-unquote trusted entity in the crypto space, and they pass all the strict standards from the NYDFS. They got the bit license, and every single crypto that's on their platform has passed or gotten the green light from the NYDFS. They also custody Bitcoin and cryptos as a third-party entity for other institutions, and people will trust them. People will trust the Gemini twins and Gemini. So that's as far as the trust go, but it's not a trustless system like Bitcoin, where we don't have to depend on a third party to send money and or receive it. With the GUSD, when it first came out, someone had problems moving $5 million because they claim it looks fun. It looked funny and suspicious for money laundering when it was just a regular crypto trader. He normally, and according to the story, normally moved basically that amount of money in Bitcoin. But once it became the GUSD, it was kind of a problem or something to that effect. So again, having that third party having control over your money, that's not a trustless system. But that's what people are used to. So they will come on to crypto and start to trade it seamlessly with more traditional cryptos like Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and XRP. Post mentions that Blockchain Capital estimates the current crypto user base to be around 100 million, saying it took 10 years to reach this point. The network effect teaches us that the pace of growth will hasten the larger the user base is. Again, network effect. What is it? N squared or something to that. I think that's what it is. It will double and triple the more people use it. The more people start speaking about it, and then they'll develop more apps and more usability for cryptos based on the amount of people getting in. So you'll have people getting in and starting to come up with different ideas in different ways to use it, which in turn will allow for more people to use it, and again onboarding more and more people. So within the next 2 years, man, we will definitely see a influx of people coming on to crypto because of the Facebook coin and because of stable coins and because of the Telegram network. However, those cryptos and those stable coins aren't true cryptos in the sense of cryptos where it's your money and no one can stop you from using it, because there will be some kind of control. Zuckerberg isn't going to give up control that easily. All right. He's trying to make it seem like it's decentralized. However, to play ball as a money transmitter in the world of government, you got to do the whole AML, all that good stuff. And if I wanted to send $10 million worth of Bitcoin anywhere in the world, I can. I don't have to worry about someone saying, no, you can't do that. That's too much money for you to send, or why are you sending that money? You start asking those type of questions. The concept of hyper Bitcoinization has been making the rounds again recently, and indeterminate reality where Bitcoin becomes the base currency for the whole of the world's economic functions, that's when we will have true worldwide adoption. When Bitcoin has become the world reserves currency, or one of the world reserves currencies. That's it for today, guys. As always, thanks for watching. Smash the likes, hit that subscribe button, notification bell, and share, and let's discuss this in the comment section below. What do you think about this crypto exchange in Korea closing down because of scandals and mismanagement of funds? I mean, would you ever return the money? I wouldn't. And also, with the Facebook coin and the Telegram network, do you think that they'll onboard more people into crypto, or do you think it's just all BS? Let's talk about it. It's your boy Sergeant Crypto, and I'm out. Peace.